use my 64 count, perhaps it's Rumba. I made this a year ago. It's really meant for partner dancing. This is the structure, 64 count, let me explain. It starts on the right foot because this was intended for partner dancing on the girl's point of view. So therefore, our quick slow is right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, that is your quick, slow, quick, slow. Okay, or 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. No 4, no 8. All throughout the dance. And it's one more. I call this phrase dancing. Going back is A, going forward is B. And that would be exact phrasing of the song Isas Isas Palinakin Ko. Now, why do I use this as a recap? Because it covers all the basics that we've discussed, right? This going forward and back is what we call basic rumba. To the side, you also call it basic rumba to the right or to the left. That's a matter if you start on your left or your right, depending on the choreography. What is this? This one is what we call a compressive box. Instead of a closed box, you're going to leave it open. A teacher call it progressive box, somebody call it broken box. Just make it an open box. You go back on both sides, quick, slow. Set 1 is the same as set 2, which is a basic, forward and back. That is all 8 count, 32. By the time you hit the second, which is the variation, cumbia, you will do it 2 times. Going back, and then this is what we call scissors, very common for mambo, salsa, rumba. Simply you go in the direction of the arrow. Typically described as step behind cross, or side behind cross, side behind cross. We will demonstrate this to you, and then we'll call everybody to practice it after the presentation.